of these delicacies. I will show you how to prepare Chatpata Bhel Puri, the simplest of all and which can be prepared in no time. And you know what? We kids can prepare it all by ourselves because it does not need any flame. My mouth is watering already. I better not keep myself waiting. Let's check out the ingredients. You will be needing puffed rice, tomato, roasted peanuts, fried peanuts, black salt, chaat masala, grated carrot, lemon juice, chopped onion, save, chili powder. Add all the ingredients into a mixing bowl.